Hello everyone, this is Valentine from Sheetgo. In this video I'm going to explain to you how to install and use our leads tracking management templates. To go to our templates, you simply go to app.sheetgo.com/templates. There we go. This brings us inside the Sheetgo web application where you can find the many different workflows we provide. We have templates for you to start creating your own workflow. You can do this from scratch or use our pre-made templates, of course. Let me show you leads tracking management. So as you can see here, we have some additional information on how to use it and how many hours you save using this template, and some nice images to show you how exactly this template looks like. But let's click on Use Template to start. As we can see here, we have now installed the template inside our drive. So we have the leads tracking spreadsheet, and then we have the reps folder inside our drive. Let's click on it to open. So as you can see here, Sheetgo has created and installed the system inside our own Google Drive. So we will find the reps folder with the different leads tracking spreadsheets for each sales rep. And then if you go inside the folder, you will also see the master file leads tracking management. So let me open everything and show you how it works. There we go. We can see sales rep 1 here. So you simply give it the correct name of your sales representative. So let's say Valentine Leads. There we go. So here each person can, in the input tab, fill out all the necessary information. So of course the date, the name of the lead, its email, phone number, when you last had contact with them, and what type of contact it was, and in what funnel stage you are right now. And some additional notes if necessary. Each sales representative also has their own dashboard, so it's very clear to see and just to track your own performance. How am I doing? What needs a follow-up, and where is my weakest point? And then we have here our master file, the leads tracking management. So here we go. We have a tab called Consolidated Sales Leads, and this will automatically consolidate and bring all the information from our different sales representatives spreadsheets inside this one spreadsheet. So from this spreadsheet you can monitor everything of your entire team. This is why this template is very easy to use in spreadsheets, because you can track the performance of your team on remote and just have it all in one place. So here you have your dashboard as well. When you select here from how many days back you want the information, you can see for each person, each rep, how many leads they have, how many leads per date, how many sales they've made, and average days it takes for them to close one, and also open leads per sales representative. So it's a very easy way to track your team's performance on remote. If not, you can simply only use this spreadsheet and put it all in here yourself. So it's a very dynamic way of tracking your sales leads. So how it works is when everyone has filled out their personal spreadsheet with all their information, you go back to the web application, and here we simply click on Run Workflow to have the connection updated and have all the information from your team in that one master file. Now it's updated, and as you can see here, that the folder with all the reps will come, all the information that is there will automatically consolidate into our master spreadsheet, which we can see here in our dashboard. And this you can also personalize with your own logo, of course, and have some fun with it. And if you have any questions about this, please go to our Sheetgo community. I will put the link in the description, and this is where you will find all the information you need. We can customize this template for you personally, or if you want to put in an automatic email sender, for example, with Google Apps Script, everything is possible. Just make sure to join our Sheetgo community and watch our other videos on how to use our other templates, of course. Thank you very much.